Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to share you the important things that you need to know about the Pitbox, the new 1150DX, and the reasons why you shouldn't buy it. Now, first, I want to say is that it's a great product. You have insane cooking space. Also, Flame Broil is a game changer. You got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, a pit controller for precision. It's built like a tank. It's huge and easy edge management, and you get also 5-year warranty. So that's very good, and even reviews 4.6 out of 5 is great. Now then again, it's some people reported that they're firmware won't upgrade, and maybe it's going to be better, but this is something that was reported, and plenty of people were happy with it. So what are the cons that I actually you need to actually know? So first thing first, uneven heat distribution. So this is the first thing. So with land temperature, let's say 225, it runs close to the temp on the left and center, but reads about 25 degrees higher on the right side near the stack. So you need to actually check, you learn the hot spots. This is very good if you want to actually get it. And also control issue on some units. So there's issue where it keeps resetting the temperature itself to 180. So that's important too. Also, ceramic coated grates are harder to clean. So grates are ceramic coated, thick and harder to clean. And that's also another thing to be kind of aware of. Also, the heat plate can rust quickly. So the heat dissipator is not stainless steel, having rust issues already. And this is something people that had 1 month in. This is also an important thing. So again, burn off required. So all pellet grills, you need to run 350 Fahrenheit for 30-40 minutes before you first cook the burn of manufacturing oils and residue. Start with lid open to prevent gas buildup. So these are also the important things to kind of be aware if you want to get it. And yeah, and also you got it's heavy. That's something you have to be aware of, that where you're gonna put it, it got the weight. And another thing is that setting to another temperature, smoke to grill, takes forever, 60 minutes plus. This is very important. So if you want to use it and you want to set up the temperature, smoke to grill, it takes forever to adjust to the new temperature. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.